Okay, so the activity that I will be doing today, it's going to be on two different books. One on the month of February, which was last month, and the other one on the month of March, which is this month. And every month we could do a book for the month that we're in. So it's going to be on these two books. We are going to be using note cards with words, as well as pictures that go with our words. Now for the extended sort, I am adding an extended sort with letters, as well as we will need a sheet of paper and a pencil and a worksheet activity as well. And if you can see on here, our objective is for the students to be able to match the pictures with the words. That way they will learn how to spell the word. They will learn to identify the picture as well. I'm going to browse through the book, through both books that I used. And what I'm using is, we are in the emergent stage, which is pre-K to first, but I'm leaning more towards kinder, first grade. And some of the activities here could be used for first graders who are also reaching the letter name alphabetic stage. So this is the month of February book. I did use something that didn't have a lot of text and that didn't have very challenging text, just because of the grade level that I'm doing. So if you see on here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words in a whole page. And I incorporated some of the words with our pictures and for the activity. And I'm going to, so this is one of the words, and I did use this as a challenging word. It's the word Groundhog Day. And it says, how long will winter last? Find out on Groundhog Day. It is on the 2nd. And so that was one word that I used as a challenge word, as a bonus word. Let's keep browsing. I also used the word card. So it says on here, Valentine's Day is fun. It is on the 14th. Finn gives his mom a card. Another word that I used for activity is the word card. And I tried to incorporate 2 to 3 words for each activity. Another word, let me see, is the word ski. She skis. It is fun. So I use the word ski because it's a shorter word. I also used hot cocoa. It's 2 different words, but I used it in one. So this is for the month of February. Now let me go for March. For March, I think I did 2 for this one. And like I said, it does have not a lot of text. For this one, I used the word snow. So it says, it starts to get warmer, snow melts. So I used the word snow. I also used the word bird. Birds start to sing. Donna hears the birds. So this is for the month of March. And I like these books because, like I said, it doesn't have a lot of text and it goes with this grade level. So the kids would be using these words that were on the activity, which is snow, groundhog, bird, and ski. I did, and here's hot cocoa and card. And these are all included in both books. I also chose 4 extra words, which are dirt, sun, rain, and cloud. They're 3 to 5 letters long. So right here we have bird, which the children would identify the picture, bird, and match it with the word. Card, which goes right here with card. hot cocoa, groundhog. Like I said, this is a challenge, a bonus word that I wanted to add on there. And we have snow, snow and ski. And so here's the other 4 words. There's rain, there's sun, here is dirt. I wanted to use these words because we did have snow on there, and here's cloud, okay? So the point of this is for the children to learn to identify the picture with the words with the picture. They could also put them in ABC order. That's something else that they could do. Now, we do have some students who might not be able to do this. They might have a harder time doing this and identifying this. And you'll always run into, you know, students who cannot work on these things. So I decided to do something shorter and with less options for them and easier until they can use this, until we can have them identify through cards and words. And this is a match game, and it's just 5 of them. And I mean, they can match it bird. I included 14 because the number 14 was in the book for Valentine's Day. And this is just, like I said, something smaller, something less challenging for those students, and easier. When they're able to do this, we can jump to them having to do this. And for the extent the sort, I did include, because like I said, some students might be at the emergent stage, but there's those first graders that are just really smart or learn better than others, and they're probably closer to the letter name alphabetic stage. And so something that we could do is they can look at the picture and, you know, sun, well then write down the word sun. Another thing that they could do, for example, is, I don't know, card. And like I said, they could either write it out or they could use the letters to find and spell out the word. And so there's the C, there's the A, there's the R, and there's the D. And they spelled out the word card. I did put this one, the A, in red because it's a vowel, and that's just a little extra for them that they can be learning on there too. And this is my activity. Like I said, it's the emergent stage, and this challenging. The extended sort is for those kids who are going a little more towards the alphabetic stage, and then this is for students who are at the emergent stage and having trouble with the emergent stage. Thank you.